Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sila Fitri Putri Ramadhani. I'm from Universitas Muhammadiyah Jember. I would like to present that about my presentation with the title is The Power of TED Talks Improving Speaking Proficiency Through Listening Activities. The first slide about the introductions. This explain about my backgrounds of the study. Many students struggle with speaking English due to lack of practice and low confidence. The aim of this research is to find out whether using TED Talks video can improve the speaking skill of 11th grade learners. And the second slide about the methodology, this research use quasi-experimental approach, and using two classes like 11.1 as experimental class and the other class or the 11.5 as control class. The difference, both of difference for the experimental class, the practice using TED Talk, but in the counter class is not using a TED Talk or using older English podcast. And the both of classes took a pretest and the post-test for the get the data. The next slide about the finding and the result. In this slide, show about the descriptive statistic and the result of the data pre and post test of the experimental class and the control class is have a different scores. First, in the experimental class, the half the score increased from 48 point point 23 to 74.63. In the counter class, increased from 49.33 to 63.75. In the test normality, it shows about uh, the data, the result of the data is normality or not normality distribute, and the result is the data in the experimental class was not normal or normally distribute, and the same goes for the post test in the control class. And the next about the homogeneity of variance or homogeneity test, and the result, the data is considered homogeneous since the significant value was above 0.05, so the comparison is still valid. In this next slide for the analyze the data will using Wilcoxon-Silk rank test, because the normality test, the result of the data is not normal. So the research use Wilcoxon-Silk rank test as other alternative. The results showed the significant difference between the pretest and post-test in the experimental group, indicating that talk had a positive impact on the student speaking skills. After using Talk, students become more confident and motivated. Their vocabulary and ability to express ideas improve. They like the real life topics, natural language, and various accents in the video. Teachers also noticed students were more active and engaged during class. And in the last slide about the conclusions, is that talk are are effective in improving students' speaking skills. They help build confidence, expand vocabulary, and enhance listening skills. Therefore, digital tools like TED Talks are highly recommended to support English speaking practice in the classroom. Thank you.